EDLC, Electric Double Layer Capacitor. EDLCs can store charges through static electricity or non-Faraday processes which do not involve charge transfer between the electrodes and electrolytes. Electrostatic storage of the electrical energy is achieved by the separation of charge in Helmholtz double layer at the interface between the surface of a conductor electrode and an electrolyte. Therefore, the EDLC storage mechanism allows for rapid energy absorption and transmission and improves power performance. Also, EDLCs have the ability for withstanding millions of cycles. The electrode materials used for EDLCs include activated carbon, carbon aerogel, carbide-derived carbon, graphene, and carbon nanotubes. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to Always. Also press bell icon to get notified.